Hey guys, this is a short video to show you how to send your college transcript from COM to another university. So you'll log into your web advisor, click on students, and it will take you to this page here. Click on transcript request underneath academic profile. Make sure that it says credit under transcript type. Recipient would be the college or university that you are wanting to send over your transcript to. Once you've selected the one you are wanting to send it to, select it, make sure there's nothing under modifier, and hit submit. Once you hit submit, you will see that there is a confirmation form letting you know that your request has been received and it will be processed within 24 business hours. You can click OK. A day or two after, you can come here and click on your transcript request status and view any request that you've submitted. And if there is a date produced underneath here, then that means that that request has been sent over to that university. And then you're done.